how beautiful this place is. I'm zipping around Emilia-Romagna, a region bursting with delicious flavors created by its feisty local women. Oh, wow. Next, I'm investigating the ingredient that put Italy on the worldwide culinary map. It's the balsamic vinegar of Modena, and it's been produced right here at the Acetaia del Cristo for the last 173 years. I see I'm in good company. Gilberto.
Hi, Gino.
How are you?
Oh, fine, thanks.
Very good, very good. Why you got your right hand on top of this barrel?
This is maybe the oldest barrel of our collection. This is from 1849.
Wow.
And you can see a little stamp. Is that a V?
This is a V?
V,
okay,
Vittoria.
Well, Vittoria. And this?
D, Dante. They are my father, grandmother.
So your great-grandmother is Dante was the husband, and Vittoria was the
husband.
Ah, so this is a love barrel.
Yeah.
The same way that I do with recipes, that I give them to my, you know, my grandmother gave it to my mother to me. You do with balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, we did it. Oh.
What an amazing idea. Gilberto tells me that there are only 2 ingredients that makes this sacred balsamic. Grapes growing right here in Modena and the sands of time. But the question is this gonna do the ping?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Ping, ping.
Very, more is older and more is stronger.
And more is ping, 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 ping.
Ping, ping. Yeah.
Ping, ping.
Ping, ping.
See, to me, this is not balsamic vinegar anymore. Could be a dessert.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, if you drizzle on top of cherries, or if you drizzle on top of strawberries, pineapple, if you do something. This is awesome. I think I should buy a couple of liters of this.
We, at Acetaia, will give you this like a gift for you and your family. Yeah.
Well, I can tell you right now, you're making my wife, Gino D'Acampo, a really happy lady, if you do that.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay.